based in Taguig, and this is my product testimony. So as you see from the screen, barley is my lifesaver. And if you can see in the picture, you can see the life buoy. This is normally used sa beach or saan man na nagsisave talaga ng life. And I use it as a barometer for my barley. So this is my family, my DPSY, my two kids, 14 and 11 years old, and my husband. So this is my barley story. I was rushed in the hospital due to severe chest pain, tachycardia. Ito po yung tachycardia, yung heart rate mo ay tumataas hanggang 200 and biglang bababa siya na parang magpa-flatline, but it's not flatline really. Tapos, nagkaroon din siya ng diagnosis from the cardiologist na may hypertrophy, which is yung parang may sign ng heart na lumaki. And then, I was also done gastroscopy kasi way back September 2023, ang nangyari is I was like vomiting every day in the morning, na yung feeling ng sa mga nanay na buntis na nagkakaroon ka ng vomiting pero wala naman siya. And that takes like 3 months for me, yung suffering ko. And then, ang daming blood work na feeling mo, pwede ka nang mag-donate sa Red Cross kasi every like 2 to 3 times a week, kinukuhanan ako ng vial ng 7 vials every day to check kung ano man ang nangyayari sa system. And then there's suggestion for MRI, ganyan, for the entire system para i-check. And then I was diagnosed as well for autoimmune disease. More blood work, different high-dose medicine, na hindi naman siya nagpagaling sa akin. It makes me worse. And there's a line na sabi ng mga anak ko, you're like a zombie now, mama. Yung tipong wala ka ng lakas. Even you take the medicines na binibigay sa'yo na matataas na yung dose, which is like 1 capsule is like 200 pesos, yung iba, and you have to take that 3 times a day. And doon nag-relapse yung system ko. And that's for 3 months. And as you can see, ang daming medicine na prescribed. And there's one medicine na prescribe sa akin ng mga doktor na little did they know na nakaban na siya sa UK. And this is the Desilan. Ban siya sa UK, pero yung mga doctors natin dito, prescribe pa rin. That makes the condition worse. And that took me 3 months for maintenance. Na sinasabi diba sa atin, yung mga nagbi-maintenance po, na you have to take the medicine to keep you going. Pero at the end of the day, ang nangyari is, talagang maintenance lang siya, pero hindi siya nakakatulong sa ano natin. Kaya yung iba nagiging dependent na lang sila sa medicine. So, as you see, more tests. Pwede nang maging donor ng Red Cross kasi parang ako na yung suki ng MaxiCare and ng hospital. Until I discovered ang pure organic barley natin through Facebook. As you can see, in comparison, medicines, capsules in different doses na kung minsan 10 to 30 mg per tab, in comparison sa ating barley and Immunergy lang. And nabasa ko to sa Bible during those times na I was on rock bottom na sabi ko, there's no more chance. Meron pang time na sabi ng husband ko, we just pupunta na lang tayo sa Australia kasi yung mga medical nila doon is maganda. But it did not happen kasi I encountered yung amazing pure organic barley natin via Facebook through a friend. And then, as the Bible verse said, Jeremiah 33:6, But now I will heal and mend them. I will make them whole and bless them with abundance and peace and security. And it is truly a miracle product. Kasi po, from there on, dahil sa pure organic barley natin, I joined IAM last September 2023. And then, I did not wait to take the barley kasi alam ko naman it's pure and organic and no side effects and no overdose po ang ating pure organic barley. So, I took pure organic barley for just 5 days. And then from there on, wala na akong iniinom.
Wow.
Besides that one, ang ating pure organic barley. But this is my maintenance ever since. And never na akong nag-take ng mga synthetic medicines. No more vitamins. Ang vitamins ko is yung ating Immunergy lang. And every day I take it. And from there on, hindi na ako nagkasakit. I did not go to the clinic anymore for visit. Even yung mga doctors sinasabi na, oh, how are you? You have to come here for checkup. And you know, pag check-up, 15 minutes lang sa clinic, that's 2,500.
Yes.
And you can have 5 boxes of barley already for that one. So, ayun po. And then, I started a gold package to my angel mentor. She's based in Singapore. And she was introduced to me through my close friend, mentor, Madeline Sotelo. Because we used to work together sa isang agency.
Galing.